Hey, Shrek here. So I'm running a little low on propane, so I was gonna go fill up my tanks, and I thought, why not do a video on Chalstroms Bait and Tackle and Archery? It's a place I used to visit as a kid. It's in the Twin Ports off Rice Lake Road. I'll post the address at the end of the video, or somewhere in the video, and give you guys a little tour of it, and we'll check it all out. So one of the great things about Chalstroms is they have the most inexpensive propane in a majority of the Twin Ports. Let's see, I filled up 4 tanks last time I was here. One was a 30-pounder. It was like 65 bucks. And then just for the 20-pounders, it's $15 a piece everywhere else. So you can get a good view of the back here at Chalstroms, and an easy way to tell where it's at, if I can get in the shot. There we go. That is their propane tank. They fill you up real quick, nice and easy. Do a very professional job. It's wonderful here. Looks like I made a friend here. Let's see if we can get him in video. There we go. There's my buddy. Don't lick the camera. Like the tables are set up for giving classes. I'm gonna have to ask somebody about that. Yeah, are the tables set up for classes and stuff you guys give? What's that? Are the tables set up for classes you guys give?
People that sit in this.
Oh, okay, okay. You're good, man. So the store is actually a little bit busy, so I don't want to be recording and making people feel uncomfortable while they're trying to get their bait and whatever they're doing, if they're going ice fishing, or apparently people are coming in to use the archery range quite a bit. Man, I've been here like 17 years ago, and I cannot believe how much improvements this place made. Just wow. You can see plenty of just beautiful decor. Just got everything you need, all your hunting and fishing needs. I was surprised that it even has stuff for just your regular rifle season even, which I don't remember them ever having that back in the day when I used to come here as a kid. All right, so why don't you introduce yourself?
I'm John Chalstrom from Chalstrom Bait Tackle.
Okay, and what's your big thing that you do here at Chalstroms?
Depends on the season. This last few weeks, me and Kathy have been spending most days out in the butcher shop cutting and processing the deer from the rifle season.
Okay. I do want to mention John was kind enough to put on a nice clean shirt because he was covered in guts and everything. I told him it was fine, but he preferred to have a nice clean shirt on. I got to give him a hard time for it, of course.
You bet.
So, and then what about summer months? What's your big thing there?
In the summer months, you can usually find me in the back room packing night crawlers and leeches and a lot of the pack baits.
Okay. And I made sure to tell everybody how you beat everybody's propane prices in the area. And I did pull it up on the internet.
In the summer we're filling up people's grill tanks all summer long, and then you get into fall and we're doing 100-pounders one after another for everyone's hunting shacks, and now everyone's getting tanks filled for their for ice fishing.
Oh yeah, I know you've done about 100 pounds for me already.
Yep.
In the last month because it's getting cold outside. All right, John, thanks. I appreciate it.
You bet.
So this place is just so dang busy that I got that little interview with John, but oh man, that thing's stuck on my ear. But I don't want to interrupt anybody else, you know, while they're trying to do their shopping. Now, in the 25 minutes I was in there, I would say about 8 people came and got bait. And he's saying that because of the pandemic, he's having a great year. So it's nice to see business do this. And you know, if you are worried about the pandemic in the future, or when this video actually posts, you know, fishing's a great way where you can be socially distant, go off hunting, spend some time out in the woods. And I don't think the deer is gonna cough on you if you shoot it. But everybody be safe, tune in next week. I'm Shrek, have a nice day. All right, Callie had to say hi on video. Come on, Callie. Now you want to go away. There she is. She's doing her little ear flop thing. Callie girl. There she is. So on my way back to my camper from Chalstroms, if we can get this on video, one of the beautiful parts of being in the twin ports. Where'd that deer go? Crap. So I just wanted to say I did that recording of Chalstroms and I was just mouth dropped the whole time, you know, because I went there as a kid and I just can't believe how much nicer it is and just how John has taken off and just made that place just gorgeous. I really hope that this video did it justice to show that it's a great, wonderful place. If you're coming from out of town, whether you're camping or not, you know, get some fishing in. Minnesota's known for 10,000 lakes. Wonderful fishing, even though I'm really not a fisherman at all. I did some hunting as a kid, and yeah, I bought everything there too, but I just hope you enjoyed the video. Cali girl.